Number 8. Change 5x minus 2y equals 8 into slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. This is something we've got to be able to do. We've got to be able to put things in slope-intercept form to be able to use our technology we have available to us. So, currently this is standard form. Our x and our y are on the same side. If you notice in slope-intercept form, y is by himself. He is isolated on the left. So Mr. X has got to go over there with his friend Constant. So plus 5x. On the left-hand side, the x term, move your x term, is positive. What happens when you go to the other side? You become a negative, the opposite. The 8 was a plus, thus the plus. I always like to put the x term first. Now, what's left over here with the y? Remember, the y needs to be by itself, isolated. Negative 2y. This means negative 2 multiplied by y. Not minus 2, y minus 2. It is negative 2 multiplied by y. That's multiplication. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So you need to divide. We are going to divide everything by the negative 2. I'm going to write it just to reinforce it. That cancels. That was the whole point. Y is by himself now. Now we're just going to clean this up. Simplify it. 2 negatives. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. 5 over 2. That is reduced. And just in case you are not sure, grab your calculator. Yes, I know. It's in test mode. And do it. Do negative 5 divided by negative 2. But look what it did. 5 over 2. It reduced it for me. 5 over 2 is the lowest form of that fraction. But look, 2 negatives gave me a positive. So 5 over 2x. A positive divided by negative is a negative. So that plus sign is kind of treated like a positive sign when it's getting divided. So plus, negative, negative. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Once again, let's see. We're not sure. It's okay. We don't remember. What is 8 divided by negative 2? Can you see that? It is negative 4 minus 4. So your equation in slope-intercept form is y equals 5 over 2x minus 4. If I asked you what the slope was, yes, your slope, your M, mountain, slope, 5 over 2. What is your y-intercept? So if we were going to graph this, your beginning is negative 4. Two very important numbers. That will make it easier for us to graph. It'll give you some other information about describing this. It's positive, so it's going to be increasing, going up.